more. Cows in Thailand, more. Machai moo. Gadao. I'm speaking Khmer. Now they're laughing at me.
เดินมาเนี่ย
ว้าตัวที่เราบอกตัวเด้อเอาตัวเป็นผัก
นี่จำพูดเลยฉันไป
คนเป็นโมแค่มาติมาเทิม
ลืมแม่ใหญ่
บอกไม่ยากกินเลย last year they sell just 3 cow they make
It's enough for like a year for a Thai family.
yeah right yes we are on
And Philippa. Join our family as we seek out the ever-elusive slow life on our trips home to Thailand.
around the UK and beyond
After the stars aligned to bring us together in Surin, northeast Thailand,
my hometown
and the place of my first English teaching job.
we've lived together in Bangkok เขาใหญ่ and Phuket
Before heading back to the UK with a year in Catalonia, Spain on the way.
as a Thai native and ex-expat with 2 young children will we ever find the slow life
Come along on our unique, often bizarre, but always authentic adventures to find out. We've come to a Thai cow farm. Hello. Hi. Oh, hi. Jasper, what do you think of the cows? Hello, you big man cow. Let's go and look at the calf. Oh, with its mama. Hello. Yeah. About 1 month, this baby cow. Hello. Hi. Sawadika. More. Cows in Thailand. More. Machai moo.
ขายที่เราช่างขายทั้งตัวอ๋อไม่ขายทั้งตัว
The owners of the cow farm are cousins of Owen's. I joke that everyone in Crow Centre is Owen's cousin, but it really is seeming that way. There's Dazzy. He's just woken up. Yeah, there's family everywhere here. So nice. People always ask, what are they farmed for? And because it's Thailand and they don't have a dairy industry like we do, the answer is always meat. Sadly, even that baby one we just saw. But I am a meat eater, so I have to be knowledgeable of where my food comes from and be accountable to it. Unless, or I would make other life choices, and I don't. So there we go. banana trees. Good owl. I'm speaking Khmer. Now they're laughing at me. But it's not because they're making fun of me, it's because they think I'm cute. Right now it's April, which is Songkran, which means the kids are off school. So it's quite clear to see that the community rallies around and all the kids get looked after by whomever is available. And they get to come and hang out at a farm for the day, or they come to Owen's parents. They've got quite a nice big house, and that's why Namfar and Nava are always round. But what a great childhood of freedom and carefreeness. Ooh, your favorite.
Mà là có lúc thế này thì anh chị có lúc là ประมาณ 6-700
แม่จะครึ่ง
จะมีแหวนนะ
ก็ไปดูเรียนดักโรยอยู่
ôngจะสิผม
ตัว
มา
เนาะเรื่องมะนาว
เต๋ผมต้องมะนาวอื่นจะได้เนาะเป็นเมียนเนาะ
ตัวประมาณแค่ประมาณนายทรงตัวจะลอกรังเขาเป็นแล้วแต่ง่ายบอกอันนี้ก็ไม่แต่ยังเชื่อการเรียนเจริญ
tôi mang cái đó đây này
นี่เราเรียนจบ19อยู่เลยเทปใหญ่
tôi chơi có làm ăn vô một cuốn đấy mà
เทปร้อยสอง
ก็ยังทำอยู่แบบนี้
ยายเนี่ยบอกยายก็ติดตามไปคุมมีเรื่องทางเรานี่ผู้สูงอายุต้องทำ
It's last year they sell just 3 cows they make about 100,000 baht
That's a lot.
yeah
That's enough for like a year for a Thai family.
yeah and
Where do they sell them to?
I think with they have like a cow market come to
Right. They come to them.
yeah
That's cool. So it's a good business for rural,
Yeah.
countryside Thai people.
yeah
Very good.
but this year gonna be make more money
Really? Why?
because that baby cow come in
Yeah.
and
More to
they're
sell.
gonna sell the big cow out
Yep.
and grow the new one at
Yeah.
the end. yeah
Aww. And the cows get bought for meat,
yes
or do they get bought to go to another farm?
Go to meat
Yeah.
yeah for meat
You're smiling because you know that makes me sad, but I also enjoy eating meat. It's very hard for me. I'm very conflicted. Owen's not conflicted at all. Easy for him.
แล้วมันจะเพื่อเราตี
เอาคืนนะเอาคืนอยู่นั่นน่ะเอาคืนอยู่นั่นน่ะ
ที่ประจำหัว
พี่แอบมอง
มันหยุดมันเนินน้ำตาพี่มาเนี่ยเฮ้ยให้หยุดเฮ้ยแอคชั่นแอคชั่นแอคชั่น
ตามชื่อตาม
แอคชั่นแอคชั่น
โอนมาโอนบอกทาง
ข้าวพยากินเลย
สงสัย
ยายมันกิน
He likes it.
ครับตลาดเขามีวากิวแต่ที่ส่งแต่เมื่อตัวผู้ที่ส่งให้เขาก็ไปขุนอีก2 ปีครับตัวประมาณ700 โลครับเขาก็เชือดเขาก็ส่งแต่เราไปเชือดเองหรอเนาะมาต้องสอนครับบ้านรอบทำไรแค่ tour like a safari South Africa
Yeah.
and take put the window down you can take a
Yeah. This is like Thailand safari. Oh yeah, this way. And on your left, we have Thai buffalo. Oh, hello Thai buffalo. Beautiful land.
drive yes What do you think, mommy, drive with a big car, Jasper? How you feel? Comfortable? How do you feel, babe?
Number? Okay, number?
Yes. Okay.
20 kilometers an hour.
Okay. Okay. Okay ครับ Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Next time, we show you the unique sights of small town Thailand on motorbike with Adeline, very much a Thai rite of passage, and by car, where we'll see beautiful temples and follow some elephants around. Subscribe to Slow Life Wanderers and join us then. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We love to hear what you think and we read every one. See you on the next one.